Things you shouldn't buy kapag. One thing I want to talk about is things that I don't buy. Number one, kapag wala siyang technical specifications. You don't know what you're eating, you don't know what you're using. Second, I won't buy kapag walang hardware warranty. Importante yon. Security yun ng aking investment dun sa material or sa product. Kapag ito naman ay walang after-sale support, di ba? Kahit sa kotse, pag walang spare parts, walang service center, you don't buy that car. That's a recipe for disaster in the future pag nangailangan ka ng tulong. Another thing, kapag yan ay pinopromote ng isang influencer and hindi naman niya talaga ginagamit or hindi niya naman talaga naiintindihan. So, it could be a lie or it could be just BS. I don't buy that. And lastly, sa mga sellers na hindi nila alam kung ano yung tinitinda nila. Lalo na yung hindi naman ganun talaga ka-okay yung quality. They say it's good. They say it has this feature. Pero wala naman talaga. So, again, obviously, they don't understand. Personally, I don't buy it. Diba? So, those are the lessons that I've learned na I'd like to share with you. Ikaw, ano yung mga useless na nabili mo that you've learned your lesson, and ano pa yung mga sa tingin mo tips na magagamit ng ating fellow riders na things you shouldn't buy kapag